I want to share with you the #1 worst thing you can do to your skin. And this problem affects more people than you know and is one of the main reasons behind many skin conditions like dehydration, acne, and redness. Have you ever heard of the skin barrier and its crucial role in maintaining healthy skin? Well, most people who experience skin conditions in fact have a damaged skin barrier. With thousands of skincare products on the market today and younger teens using skincare, it's becoming a really big issue. In this video, we're going to dive into the importance of the skin barrier, the detrimental effects of damaging it, and how it impacts your overall skin health and appearance. Your skin is made up of 3 main layers, the epidermis, dermis, and the hypodermis, all 3 of which work together and perform specialized functions in protecting your body. The outermost part of the epidermis is called the stratum corneum. It consists of tough skin cells, fatty acids, and amino acids. It's your skin barrier, and it helps keep moisture in and bacteria out. This skin barrier is slightly acidic, so it's also referred to as the acid mantle. This acidity creates the skin's natural acidic pH. The skin barrier acts as a protective shield against external aggressors such as pollutants, UV rays, and bacteria. The skin barrier is composed of various components, including lipids, ceramides, and proteins that work together to maintain its structure and function. Lipids form a protective barrier that helps retain moisture and prevent water loss, keeping your skin hydrated and supple. Ceramides, a type of lipid molecule, play a crucial role in maintaining the skin barrier's integrity and strength. They help bind skin cells together, creating a protective barrier that prevents irritants and allergens from penetrating the skin, reducing the risk of inflammation and sensitivity. Proteins contribute to the skin barrier's resilience and elasticity, ensuring that your skin remains firm and supple. These proteins help maintain the skin's structure and support its ability to repair and regenerate, promoting overall skin health and vitality. A healthy skin barrier is essential for maintaining optimal skin hydration and resilience. When the skin barrier is intact and functioning properly, it can retain moisture effectively, keeping your skin hydrated and plump. This not only enhances the appearance of your skin, but also helps prevent issues such as dryness, flakiness, and sensitivity. So what are the common things people are doing to their skin that are damaging their skin barrier? The first one is over-exfoliation. Over-exfoliation is a common skincare mistake that can compromise the skin barrier's integrity. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, but excessive exfoliation can strip away the skin's protective layer, leading to irritation, redness, and sensitivity. This can weaken the skin barrier, making it more susceptible to damage and inflammation. Next is using harsh cleansers or toners that contain irritants that also harm the skin barrier. Ingredients such as sulfates, alcohol, fragrances, and certain preservatives. These harsh ingredients can strip the skin of its natural oils and compromise the skin barrier's ability to retain moisture, leading to dehydration and sensitivity. Next is mixing skincare ingredients together that are conflicts. With so many products out on the market today, most skincare routines are becoming 10-step routines. But the biggest problem is mixing skincare ingredients that are not meant to be used together. For example, using retinol with an exfoliating acid like lactic acid or salicylic acid, or using retinol with vitamin C. It's important that you understand the products you are using in your routine and how to use them correctly in the routine. If you have many skincare products and they haven't been prescribed to you, you should be reaching out to brands to confirm what you can and can't mix together. This often comes down to the brand's product formulation. Your skin barrier can also easily be destroyed by environmental factors such as sun exposure, pollution, extreme climate conditions such as very hot, very cold temperatures, super dry air. Obviously, some of these factors like pollution and freezing winters are out of your control, but generally the most real damage will come from your routine or habit, like using unsuitable cosmetic products, applying too harsh face exfoliators, or intense acids. It's important to be mindful of these common practices and factors that can harm the skin barrier. So how can you protect your skin barrier? Maintaining a healthy skin barrier is essential for ensuring optimal skin health and appearance. By implementing practical tips and incorporating skin-loving ingredients into your skincare routine, you can protect the skin barrier effectively. One of the key ways to protect the skin barrier to avoid a damaged skin barrier is by adopting a gentle skincare routine that prioritizes the skin's health. Opt for a mild, fragrance-free cleanser and moisturizers that are formulated to support the skin barrier's natural function. Avoid harsh ingredients like sulfates and alcohol that can strip the skin of its natural oils and compromise its protective barrier. Incorporating ingredients like ceramides and niacinamide can be highly beneficial. Ceramides are lipid molecules that help restore and strengthen the skin barrier, improving its ability to retain moisture and protect against external aggressors. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe and repair a compromised skin barrier, promoting overall skin health. In addition to using targeted skincare ingredients, it's crucial to prioritize sun protection and hydration in your skincare routine. Sunscreen helps shield the skin from harmful UV rays that can damage the skin barrier and accelerate aging. Opt for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and reapply regularly, especially when spending time outdoors. Hydration is also key to maintaining a healthy skin barrier. Ensure your skin stays hydrated by using a moisturizer that contains hydrating ingredients like ceramides and glycerin. Keeping your skin well hydrated can support the skin barrier's function and promote a plump, radiant complexion. But what happens if you have a damaged skin barrier? How do you repair it? Once you're aware of how your skin barrier is broken, the very first thing to do is to immediately stop using irritating products and go back to a basic skincare routine consisting of a basic cleanser, basic moisturizer, and fragrance-free sunscreen. Hyper-focusing on moisturizing is the key to this skin recovery process. Skin barrier fortifying ingredients such as ceramides, glycerin, and niacinamide should be preferred because of their ability to quickly hydrate the skin. When your skin barrier has been repaired, you want to slowly reintroduce your active serums one by one and monitor your skin. So in this video, we've learned that the skin barrier, composed of lipids, ceramides, and proteins, acts as a barrier that protects the skin from pollutants, UV rays, and bacteria. Damaging the skin barrier through practices like over-exfoliation, harsh skincare products, incorrect product use, and environmental factors can lead to sensitivity, dryness, and inflammation, compromising skin health. To protect and repair the skin barrier, it's essential to adopt a gentle skincare routine, incorporate ingredients like ceramides and niacinamide, and prioritize sun protection and hydration. By following these strategies, you can strengthen the skin barrier, promote optimal skin health, and achieve a glowing complexion. Now that you know the #1 worst thing you can do to your skin is damaging your skin barrier, let's talk about the signs that you have a damaged skin barrier. For that information, we have put this video here for you to watch next.